Hi everyone. Today we're going over the Auto Trader feature on PolyBot, which lets you create custom strategies on all up-down markets. Let's get started. Open PolyBot and hit Auto Trader. Two options show up. Ready to run as pre-built strategies if you want to skip setup. Create Strategy lets you build your own. We're going with Create Strategy. Step 1. Name the strategy. I'm calling this one 5-minute scalper. Step 2. Market timeframe. Up and down markets resolve every 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, or 24 hours. I'm going with 5 minutes. Step 3. Pick the asset. AutoTrader supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB, DOGE, and Hyperliquid. I'm selecting all crypto so the strategy runs across every asset. Step 4. This is where the strategy comes together. First, the entry rule. I'm buying both outcomes, setting the trigger at 85 cents, picking momentum, and choosing upward, which means it only buys when the price moves up through 85 cents. Amount $5 per entry. Then the exit rules. Take profit at 95 cents, stop loss at 50 cents. So every position automatically closes in profit at 95 or cuts the loss at 50. Step 5. Entry window. I'm setting 4 minutes after the market starts, so the strategy only triggers in the final minute of each 5-minute window. Step 6. Slippage. 5%. Step 7. Review and confirm. Strategy live. Now, every time a 5-minute up-down market opens on any supported asset, PolyBot waits 4 minutes, then enters when momentum pushes through 85 cents. It takes profit at 95, cuts losses at 50, and does it again on the next market. Set once runs on autopilot. Link in the description to start trading on Polymarket from Telegram.